Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how I incorporated the new Sloth To-Go Accessory Kit into my Sloth TN, which a lot of you have already seen. First, as you can see, here's the charm. It's a lot bigger than previous charms. It's really nice. So I stuck that on the side of it because I already had a charm on the front. And then on the inside, let's show where I've added. This is the stuff I already had. This is Vellum that actually matches the To-Go kit from shop Scenic Serenity. So the front section stayed the same, and I did add one of the die cuts right here because that was just plain green. So now it had a little sloth to add to it. And I added, this was just the Vellum before, but I put one of the covers that I made here. And that was with one of the journaling cards and a piece of the sloth paper. And this is just green cardstock that I had. This is actually the paper insert that comes with the paper clip. And it was just too cute to throw away. So I stuck a little heart die cut over it and put it on the inside of the dash card that I made. And oh, and that's the clip. The little, as you can see, the flower clip. Really cute. It kind of reminds me of like the 60s peace, love, happiness, sloth flower. Then the other dash sleeve cover, I don't know, what do you call these things when you make them yourself? It's not really a dash card, it's like a insert cover, I guess. Again, with the paper, the die cut, this is a little strip that I put on the bottom of green cardstock that I had. This is the Vellum that comes with the Sloth To-Go accessory kit. That was already in there. I had the flower. This was, I believe, from one of Gina's spring die cut packs, maybe with Fiona. I know it's from the 1407. And then I added the little sloth with it. So that's how I added it in. If you don't have a Sloth TN, it's still super cute. And these are, I used everything except this. This is what I have left. So there's like a die cut that I could still use someplace, another journal card, and two papers, brown on that side, green on that side. And honestly, I'm probably going to somehow incorporate these into either my full B6 or into my micro because it's the perfect size. So, all right, Sloth To-Go kit this Friday. Don't want to miss it.